Basically, if you try to use only the metal key inserted in the keyhole and try to start the car, it will crank but it will not start because... Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Webuilds. In this episode, I'm going to restore the key of my car. In 10 or 15 years, you can expect your car to be like this. You see, this part is kind of broken. So I am going to renew it using this new key shell and a new cell. Let's do it. So first let's open this key. I have used some electrical tape just to keep it intact. Let's take it off. So last time I was traveling to Shimla and then suddenly the key stopped working, the battery died. So I had to replace it with a cell which is not compatible with this key. So yeah, I installed a battery which was not compatible with the key. So you see this gap, it is because of the incompatible battery. Check this out. This battery does not belong to this key. So yeah, let's open it up. So this is the RFID key. Basically, if you try to use only the metal key inserted in the keyhole and try to start the car, it will crank but it will not start because this RFID communicates with the ECM, which is basically just like a digital key, and then only your car can start. So this is very important. It needs to be close to the keyhole in order to start the car. And then this is the metal key. So I'll put both of these into the new shell. Now to open this key shell, this is also locked. So what you need to do is push here, you see, right here, just push it to open it. This is how you open it. Now just place everything back in here like it was. Bit of cleaning. So now this original key is actually casted within this plastic, so I'll have to cut it out to install it into the new one. Let's do that. More. Now it should fit. Let's try one more time. Ta-da-ta. Okay. Awesome. There you go. Fits perfectly. Okay. Maybe just a little bit more on the left side. Let's assemble everything back together. Ta-ta-ta. Perfect. 1, 2, and goes the cell. Just like that. Okay. And then finally the back. And lock it. Okay, and then there's this final screw. They even give a screwdriver with it. So convenient. And it works. And finally the keyring. And done, just like new. Let's now test. And with that, our key is absolutely brand new. Now I'll see you in the next one. Meanwhile, like, share, subscribe. Ta-da.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing.
This guy's not slowing down. Yeah, it's confirmed. He's not stopping. Code 3.